I remember last time we were working through this one, I said that I felt that tenors and basses up to C ought to, you've got to keep it flowing very smoothly because you are the link, if you like. You just keep things flying along. If you give it a little more note value that's shown, don't cut your bells off too quickly so the thing does get a bit of a flow to it. That will help it, okay? And don't play too loudly either, because you're constantly there in the background with a little ripple, like, remember...
Aren't we balanced?
Yeah, it wasn't far out.
A little bit level, are we?
Just a little bit, yeah. Balance was okay. Keep it just like that, so you see that's smashing. Don't rush. Crescendo here. Think mostly for the treble and bass and tenors.